Well, hello YouTube, it's NazBoy16 here. I'm just gonna make a tutorial video on how to get better at finger tricks. Basically what you want to start with is a little bit of finger strengthening. So the first thing I would recommend doing is some different finger exercises. Sort of like that, if you can see. I don't know if you can see very well. But just go back and forth like that. And after a couple days of doing it, your fingers will get stronger. And then what you want to do with the cube, most people when they first start out or as beginners, they grab the whole side of the cube with their hand and rotate it like this. Not exactly what you want to do if you want to get into speed cubing. Here's some of the moves. If you want to move the U face clockwise, just like that, counterclockwise, this finger, the index finger of the left hand, this way. If you do U2, I do like this. For D face, counterclockwise, clockwise. For D2, I use my ring finger and then my pinky. Now when I do R, I just rotate it like that. But when you do the rotate with the R, make sure that your fingers are always in position to do a U or D turn. Same thing with L. And F, I just do it like this. There's no really easy way to do F or even the B. I use if it's my right hand, I use my index finger over here to do it clockwise, counterclockwise for B. But yeah, there you have it. Just keep practicing and you'll get to where you want to be in no time. Thanks.